All right, folks, welcome to video number 8. We're going to talk to you today about how to monetize your site. Okay, so hopefully the last 7 videos, you've got your site going, you've got your content coming in, you're SEOing it with your keywords everywhere. You've got Pinterest pins going out every day. You're doing your 25 to 35 repins every day, and you're starting to grow your traffic. Okay, now I've got 2 affiliate programs on here. And the first one here is you're going to see some ads on here, and you click on any of my blog posts, you're going to see an ad at the top. Okay, that is a company called Media.net. Now, I used to use Google AdSense. If you still want to use Google AdSense, you can, but I like to use Media.net. I find it just a good company. It does pay a little bit more than the Google AdSense, so I do like it, but it's Media.net. And what's going to happen is you're going to come over here, you're going to hit sign up, you're going to go through the whole form, and then what's going to happen here, folks, is so your website, your email address, your country of residence, and you're going to go ahead and sign up. Now, you don't want to use a Gmail account for this. You want to make sure you're using your, my site is Snap Online Business. You want to make sure you have a Dave or a Connect or whatever your first name is. You can use whatever you want, but you want to make sure you have that kind of an email address. And just as a quick recap, if you went back here and you clicked on email, okay, it's probably going to ask me to sign in again because I haven't been over here in a while. You're going to go ahead and click on email, and you're going to set up an email account. So just make sure you get yourself an email set up here for that. And as I said, it's 84 cents a month. It's dirt cheap. Okay, so you've got that going. Now, once you've set up the account of Media.net, you're going to get into what's called the pub console. You got your dashboard, your reports, your ad units, payments, settings. Click on each one. Make sure you fill out everything you can. It's going to want your address, that type of thing. But here's what I want to make sure I show you here. Make sure you add your site to it. Okay, average daily traffic, just put less than 1K. It's a brand new site, and it's going to have an HTTPS. Current ad revenue less than $100 a month. It's a brand new site. It's not a big deal. And then once you hit, it's going to say pending. Okay, the minute it says approve, then you come back over to here and on the dashboard, and you're going to add what's called another plugin for Media.net. Okay, so I've already loaded it up. All right, Media.net. There it is right there. Okay, so Media.net Ads Manager, and you're going to go ahead and connect that on there. Okay, and you're going to go ahead and install it, hit activate, and then go in there, connect your Media.nets with your pub console. Okay, now once you've done that, you are now ready to start earning money with Media.net. Okay, and then you should be able to, maybe it doesn't happen immediately. I've got something here. Let me go ahead and clear the cache. I think I added something in here. I'm not too sure what I did. Let me have a quick look here. Oh, gotta get that out of here. Okay. All right. I was kind of doing something before I started this video here. Perfect. Okay, I've got rid of that. And you'll notice that when you're logged in, you'll see a thing up here. It says clear cache. You can always do that, and it'll just kind of clear all the cache, clear all the, all the garbage, that type of thing, to get your your website reset. So that's one program that I use, which is Media.net, which gives you these type of ads. Now, on the right-hand side, I like to use Clickbank. I love Clickbank. Clickbank is a very good, it's a free, doesn't cost anything to sign up for this affiliate program. But the nice thing about it is, that when you're logged in, you have all these categories right here. I mean, there are so many categories. It's the largest marketplace out there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a program that I want to promote on Snap Online Business. So I'm going to go in here, and in my area, I'm in the e-business and marketing. And then what I want is I'm going to look for a program here. So these are all the offers. Now you want a gravity of over, you don't want a gravity too high, like 153.81. You want a gravity of, and that just shows you the popularity, like how long it's been around for. I like to do a gravity of over 50-60. So get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Let's see here. Let's see, what's this gravity? 85. Okay. And I'm going to have a look at this here. So I'm going to click on this here, Scribble World's #1 ebook creator. Okay, looks kind of cool. Now, what is that? So you make $38 and the price is $38.49. It is a one-time billing, reoccurring billing, Pitch Plus. Okay, so it's in the vendor spotlight, so that's good. All right, so let me go here. I'm going to click on the affiliate page. Okay, I don't really want to worry about that. I want to find something very simple. So you can enter your email, and a lot of times you'll get different things sent to you. Trending 21, work from home. Okay, looking for a good program that I can promote. Click earners. Okay, cool. So this is kind of what I'm probably going to do here. So I'm going to do the affiliate one right here. And thanks. All right, so I'm going to put my name in here. Dave and Dave at snaponlinebusiness.com. And I'm going to get access to the affiliate tools here. Okay, so motion. Okay, now I don't see any banners. And I'm just looking for banners here. So promotion suggestions, email marketing, Facebook groups. Okay, so there's no banners. I like to find a banner if I can. Video rank on page 1, Blaster software. I think I know a little bit about that. Okay. Image and some ads. Okay, perfect. Okay, good affiliate program, definitely. Look at the gravity. Gravity is 32. This is probably a good one here. Write app reviews. Okay, so banners. So I've got some banners right now. Oh, they don't have any banners on here. Okay. So you kind of see what I'm referring to here. You want to try to find something with banners. Now, another affiliate program that I like is ClickFunnels. I love ClickFunnels. And you don't need to buy ClickFunnels in order to be part of the affiliate program. That is a great thing about it. Okay. So I'm going to go into clickfunnels.com. And oops, what am I doing here? Okay. And whoa, what the heck? Okay, so clickfunnels.com. Okay, and a lot of people think you have to have a, actually be using the product. So scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says affiliates right there. And sign up for an affiliate. Okay, and I'm going to log into my affiliate account. Okay, but so log in here. You can, I've already got an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log into it. You're going to basically set up an account with this. Okay, once you're logged into the account, and I don't mind showing my commissions. So I've made about 5,000 on this thing here. Ooh, got some good commissions coming out here, so that's not bad. Made a sale on Saturday, March 20th with this account, so that's good. But here's the best thing. So come down here, and when you find your funnel that you know, they've got tons of different products you can promote. Funnel challenge, traffic secrets, and then this one right here. Okay, I want to find the banners. 1 second here. So if I come down here and I do, okay, so perfect webinar, ClickFunnels. I want to see if they have. Okay, ClickFunnels, funnel hacking. Okay, so I love ClickFunnels, and I do like it. They're a good company. They've been around for quite a while. Everybody's always trying to come out with something better, but yet this guy's been around for a long time. Now, I use a different company just because I'm building my I'm building it a little bit different way here. Okay, so funnel scripts. So what you want to do, these are just all different kinds. You can, all different ways you can do things. So click on each one of the, they got .com secrets. Okay. And let's see here. So .com secrets, expert secrets. These are all different affiliate programs. And this is your affiliate link right here. Okay. But there's one area, and all you really have to do is, I'm going to show you here something right now. Okay. And here's some banners. Okay. So I'm going to do right here. So you find a banner and you click on code. You copy that. Boom. I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to put that banner in a sidebar. Under widgets, sidebar, custom HTML. So I'm going to drag that right here. And I'm going to put another one right there. Boom. And save. That's it. That's all you got to do. And then I come over here and check it out. Look, I got another banner right there. So now I've got 2 of them. Okay. And so those are my ways of getting making money. I mean, you've got your affiliate site, you've got your traffic generator, which is your Pinterest. You're making sure you've got good optimized SEO content, making sure you're using the right keywords, that type of thing. You know, and then you got some ways to make money with Medianet, ClickFunnels, Clickbank. There's all kinds of affiliate programs, okay? But folks, and you're gonna learn, you know, I'm gonna teach you how to do a, you know, how to have like what's called a landing page. You know, how to, you know, build an email list, because those are ways that are gonna really help you out. I wanted to teach you this first because so many people are trying to teach affiliate marketing by telling you, you know, go and get a landing page, you know, connect it to an offer and build an email list and just use paid traffic. But there's one problem with that. And the problem is there's no brand. So everybody in the world is sitting there trying to, you know, you get an email. How many emails do you get on a daily basis? And if you don't know that person, you know, it's all about know, like, and trust. Okay. So if you don't know that person, you're not going to do anything. So you want to be able to build yourself a brand first. I'm throwing my mic all over the place here. You want to build yourself a brand first. That's first and foremost. And you want to start making some money with that brand. Okay. So what I'm going to be doing here is wrapping up this video. You've got enough to get going with, folks. These next two videos, so video number 9, we're going to get into how to start building an email list and how to really start honing this in and take it to the next level. I want to thank you, folks.